Gordon Collins-Faunce, the Arundel man accused of killing his infant son, appeared in York County Superior Court on Friday and was charged with depraved indifference murder. Assistant Attorney General Lisa Marchese asked that Collins-Faunce undergo a psychological evaluation.
Right, Ms. Fairfield, you're up.
Mr. Collins-Faunce and I have reviewed the amended complaint. We've gone over the nature and substance of the charges. We've gone over the rights and the understanding of the nature of the charges against him, as well as the rights and the consequences. We have gone over the sentences involved with these charges. He understands he won't call the content directly. I've described the grand jury process to him. We haven't discussed bail at this point, but I don't know if this one he's wants to be heard. Your Honor, at this time, I'd like to move for psychological evaluation of Mr. Collins-Faunce pursuant to Title 15, Section 101D.
All right, Ms. Fairfield, your position?
Your Honor, I am not necessarily going to object to that order. I would ask for 5 days in order to respond to the state's request. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, looks like our next proceeding is likely going to be a status conference. I suspect probably in June. My understanding is this matter will be presented to the grand jury this month, or next month?
Next month, Your Honor.
All right, so we can use that status conference for an arraignment. Anything else from the state?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Anything else from the defendant? All right, thank you.
There's some indication that he may have suffered from some sort of psychological issues in the past, and it is our practice routinely that if someone has suffered from psychological issues in the past or in near to the time of the crime, that we would ask for a psychological evaluation.
Can you say what those issues were?
Well, he suggested that he may have PTSD from his time in the service, and so we just want to look into that a little bit further. Obviously, this is a very serious case, and we need to understand what was going on in his mind at the time of the commission of the crime. A psychological evaluation will help us understand that. Did he have psychological issues that led to this crime, or is this a crime that was born just of savage, brutal, as a crime of depraved indifference murder suggests?
Excuse me, should he be found to have had those issues or have those mitigating issues, what influence could that have on how you pursue this case further?
Well, whether or not someone can successfully pursue an insanity defense is a very high standard, and I don't anticipate that that will be an avenue that he will be able to pursue, but it's important to rule it in or out. If he, as a result of severe mental illness, couldn't appreciate the wrongfulness of his conduct, then he could potentially be found not criminally responsible. I don't anticipate that to be the issue, but we do need to check it out.